Up first this evening, dog owners may soon be criminally liable if their animal causes injury or death to others. That's if Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has his way. Mr. Chuck says the suggested legislative changes are now before the Attorney General.
It's only a suggestion for now, but for Justice Minister Delroy Chuck, the conversation must be started. Dog owners should be held criminally liable for injuries caused by their animals. The suggestion follows recent reports of vicious dog attacks, the latest being a grade 6 teacher who was mauled in Cooper's Hill, St. Andrew last week. At a Justice Ministry function on Thursday, Mr. Chuck explained that currently, under the Dog Liability for Injuries Act of 1887, dog owners are only liable for damages, and he proposes that should change.
Let me emphasize, what I'm going to say now are merely proposals to be discussed by Cabinet and ultimately go to Parliament so that stakeholders can have an input. We're going to repeal that law, that's the Dogs Liabilities for Injuries Act, and put in place Dogs Liability of Owners Act. So the burden will be on owners to ensure that their dogs are kept under control.
The Justice Minister says the Law Reform Department has provided a submission to the Attorney General's Department and they are now awaiting a response. The proposal also suggests implementing measures such as registration, licensing, and even implanting microchips that will link each dog to its owner and address, as well as a possible outright ban on some breeds which are considered vicious or dangerous. He says the move has become necessary as dog attacks are becoming too frequent.
The Legal Reform Department has indicated the number of persons who have been attacked by different dogs over the last few years. And persons are now using dogs as security, and that is admirable. But in doing so, we have to be careful that they not only secure the premises, but they do not become danger to others. And this is what the government has to put in place.
Other ministries, including the local government and agriculture ministries, will also be part of the discussion. Herman Green, TVJ News.